everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 21st to the 25th of July 2025 on Monday. Mbali's victory inspires Zama to plot her revenge. With his family fighting against his love, Lungelo devises a cunning solution for himself and Ayanda on Tuesday. Zama implemented her bold new plan, leaving the NGO women dizzy with her token and Mbali scratching her head. Lungelo and Ayanda's quiet rebellion creates a feud between two families. A thief descends on the Magwaza's side, leaving Letuguhle trapped in a trap like a mouse on Wednesday. Mbongeni is on a warpath about undelivered material. Letuguhle's new position is the furthest thing from what he expected. Themba is determined to show Lungelo he is not a man yet on Thursday. Makhumalo goes a step too far in her need for retribution. Lungelo makes a decision that stands Ayanda. Themba's humiliation at Lungelo's hand is never ending on Friday. Lungelo returns to face his father. The Magwaza might be facing the beginning of the end. Nkosinathi is not willing to get Letuguhle beaten slide. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.